Whakalawhalahi atu and welcome to May 30th. It's a fantastic day, the sun is shining, but also lots of spirits are shining down here at Holy Trinity or Tahuhu Church. Today we've got a Community Careers Day which involves a whole lot of different organisations that have come together to help our youth and anybody else pathway themselves in terms of career. So we've got the Course Collective digital gaming station down here, so if you want to know what they do and make money from it, come on down and have a look. We have the youth today giving out free sausage sizzles and all day, so if you want a little bit of sustenance, come on down as well. We've also got the police and the New Zealand Defence Force, we've got insurance, we've got driver's license, we've got the whole works here today, and guess what, the best thing is everything's for free or fully funded by somebody else. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome to come down, and we'll see you when you get down here. We're open from 10 o'clock to 2 p.m, so it's a very short time. We understand that the weekend is precious for everybody, but you're precious to us too, so come on down and we'll see you here. Have a great day.
My name is Josie Togolaka. I come from Niue, Hakukuatua. Today I'm here with Coversure. I'm a financial advisor, and basically we're just here to talk to the community about protecting themselves and their family and the importance of having protection in place. Look, happy to be here to talk to our Niueans and our other communities, just to make sure that they understand the importance of having something in place. If you're not here, you're missing out, but feel free to look us up and get in touch.
My name's Assyria, I'm a staff sergeant. Manavision I'm a defence recruiter now. Auckland or Manukau. If you're interested in or want to know more information about joining, we have a website, Defence Careers. .nz.com that you can go to. But for now, if you're wanting to join, there's a lot of trades in the Defence Force. If you're interested in anything marine, come and join the Navy. Anything aviation, there's a lot of trades in the Air Force. And we also have the Army as well, with a lot of trades. And then if you want to join, the Defence will pay for everything. All you need is put your application in. Be fit, be motivated, depends for everything, pays for everything. You just need to apply yourself and then pass all the assessments and just enjoy life. While you're training, you're still being fully paid, and at the end you'll get a good qualification if you go into some of these trades out there. But other than that, I've been in for more than 20 years. I'm old, but people still say I look young. Maybe the moisturizer that I'm using, or my future jeans, have super saving as well. But other than that, that's me. I'll be around if you're interested in the Manukau area or the Auckland area. We've got an office in Grey Lynn, and also we've got an office in Manukau, Westfield Mall, if you're interested.
Hi guys, we're from the Auckland University. We're here doing a vision screening at Coversure Church at the Holy Trinity. So today we're screening kids aged from 11 to 18. And we do 4 different tests, so looking at your vision, your visual acuity. We've got our machines and our doctors here with us today. So looking at your topography and your retinal, so the inside of your eye as well. It's really important to get checked early so that we can get you the help that you need before you get into career path and things like that, so that you can ensure that you can see well for your job and school. Alright, thanks guys, have a good day.
Joe and I'm Priscilla. If you're thinking about joining the police, come on down to a careers day down at 18 Mason at Tahuhu. There's lots of other places, different other career options here, but come and join the police if you know what Niuean. I'm Hati Niuean from Likulakeka, and my friend here is from Samoa.
Yeah, come, we can answer any questions. We're trying to recruit in our community, so come on down. We can answer all those questions that you have for us.
Hey, my name's David Kapua, and here we have South Auckland Creative Tika, which I'm a part of. This is a gaming trailer that we take to different events, different schools, or any place, and people of all ages can come and just have a game, have a jam on Roblox, Fortnite, Marvel Rivals. If you want to create your own game, we could lead you to someone that could do that. We can lead you to all these different pathways or you can create stuff around gaming. So you can find us on Pause Collective, just look that up. It'll come up with our contact details, email, phone number, and even our address if you want to link up.
Yo, so this is Marvel, all Marvel characters.
Yeah, it's like where like you get to choose like different characters from like any Marvel movie, and then like they verse each other. It's like different game modes. It's like we have to like fight each other, and then we have to stop the enemy team from taking this power right here and dropping it into where they're supposed to drop it. So yeah, we're just trying to defend it and keep them moving it.
Yeah.
Kau ko wheleweia ke he pongi ma John. Tōla he furufuruala he kisia te tangata na ko mai, ke la te ia mo te whakauranga ni, ke la te ia mo tau mo maui tangata. It's so nice to see quite a few people turning up today to get the information. As Tapala, you said, information is very powerful. So there's nothing for us there to lose, but to gain. Yep.
Yeah.
Love it.